Hey everybody, if you are new here, we are a couple that's in our 50s and we're building our homestead, working toward retirement. And these videos encapsulate pretty much everything we're doing to build our homestead. We sure appreciate you being here and subscribing to our channel. We just hit 500 subscribers last weekend, and when we hit 1,000, we are going to do a giveaway for you guys. So if you haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead and subscribe and be a part of our 1,000 subscriber giveaway. My next video is going to be on using my apple peeler core slicer so that you can see how that works. It's really fast. If you got a lot of apples to peel and core and slice, it'll make quick work of it. And I thought I would do that video now because apple season is coming up. It's right around the corner. And if you freeze apples or can apples or make applesauce, this is a great tool to have. And I will also be making a quick apple crisp recipe during that video. But for now, I want to show you the project we've been working on this week with our chicken coop, and I want to show you our 8-week-old chickens now. So let's take a look. Well, here we are, week 8. We added some chairs, put some plastic over it, so we can come out here and take that plastic off and sit down. This guy just tugged at my pants. But here they are. Maybe they think they're going to get a treat. They just had a treat. They just had some watermelon. So I got to get the rinds out of there because actually I don't believe they're supposed to be eating the actual green part of the rind. So I'll have to get that out of there. Are you tugging on me? Are you tugging on me? You were. So there we go. There's Carl. Carl the cochin. We're having what we don't know if is an issue or not with Carl. We've noticed that when they go to bed at night, all of the chickens are up on the roosts except for Carl and 3 or 4 of the Jersey giant hens. And he lays down and they lay on top and around him. We're not sure whether they're trying to protect him or what's going on there. If you guys have any insight, let us know. As you can see, it's early morning and I'm getting my toes pecked on. What are you guys doing down there? Stop it. Stop picking on my toes. Note to self, wear closed toe shoes when you come to visit the chickens. We can tell the roosters from the hens now. The roosters are the ones that peck on my toes the most. Here's one right there. You can tell by the wattle underneath the beak. There's 2 of those. There's also 2 Jersey giant roosters, but you see them right there. The combs are bigger and they're getting wattles underneath. We've been talking about painting our chicken coop for ever since really we started building it. So this week we decided to just go ahead and do it. And I want to show you a little quick video of us painting the chicken coop and the end result. I think you're going to like it as much as we do. Thanks so much for being here today. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you are not a subscriber so you can be a part of our 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I sure hope you're having a great weekend. See you next time.